Physiology made easy with the differences between plasma. This side is a column for plasma difference, and in this side, this is the serum. As the picture depicts, both are yellow in color. This color is yellow, and it is a extracellular fluid, while it is intracellular fluid. Okay, so both are yellow in color. Here we will find out it is a suspension, or you can say it is a piling of RBCs. So it contains clotting factor as there is a suspension. RBC gets suspended. There is no clotting reaction. So the clotting factors are present here. It does not contain any clotting factor because all the clotting factors, they are consumed in the reaction antigen and antibody. So we used here anticoagulant to obtain it. There is no need of adding any anticoagulant because there is already antigen and antibody reaction. We want that this must be antigen and antibody reaction. Here is the suspension, Rulic formation, and it is a just piling of RBC one above the other. So it is a less time consuming, and serum obtaining is a more time consuming after centrifuge. So the volume here is little bit more in comparison to this serum site. Now the next difference is the percentage of water it contains. It contains more water, that is 90 to 95%, and here serum contains less water, that is 90%. So storage, frozen plasma can be stored for longer time. It cannot be stored for longer time. Fibrinogen, it contains fibrinogen because there is no antigen antibody reaction, and it doesn't contain fibrinogen, that is a clotting factor consumed during the reaction. Density is more here and the density is less because of the, but it is written wrongly here. It is 1.026 and here it is 1.025 grams per milliliter. So here you will find density is more because of fibrinogen. And reaction, it can be, it is not an antigen antibody reaction, it is a Rulex formation. Here in a, what is Rulex formation? That 8 to 10 RBCs, they are piled up one above the other. And it is a simply antigen reaction. It is mainly used for blood transfusion and in treatment of liver. It is used for, serologically used for antigen antibody reactions like blood group and serological investigations. Now in detail, this is the plasma and this is the cellular compartment. Cellular compartment, if we will take 10 ml, then we will find it is 55%. And cellular compartment is only 45%. Here you will find between the fluid and the cellular compartment, you will find a buffy coat that is a slightly whitish in color, and this buffy coat is made up of white blood cells and platelet. So there is a form as the number is less in comparison to the RBCs, you will find a lot of volume is occupied by RBCs and less amount is occupied by Buffy coat. So cellular in the serum condition you will find no Buffy coat. Only you will find this in the plasma separation. And supernated plasma is 55% of the total volume. And out of this 92% is the water, 7% is the protein, fibrinogen, albumin, globulin, and 2% is the amino acid, sugar, and lipids. Erythropoietin, insulin, hormone, sodium, potassium, and calcium. So the specific gravity of this fluid is higher, 1.026 instead of 1.025. 1.025 in case of serum, but here the specific gravity is 1.026 and there is Buffy coat is present, but in serum case it is not present. So subscribe for further differences in physiology. Thanking you.